YouTube channel do not need to be monetized, and you do not need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Hello YouTube family, what's up? Welcome to my brand new video about making money online. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make $60 and sometimes even more than that with just one video that you upload to the YouTube. And guys, the most important and beautiful part here is that your YouTube channel do not need to be monetized, and you do not need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The way I'm gonna teach you in this video will help you make even passive income. Guys, you can make passive income from this strategy and method that I'm gonna teach you in this video. And guys, as I said earlier, you do not need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, because using this technique and using this method, you are not earning money with the help of ad revenue, guys. But guys, you can earn 5 times or even 10 times more money than from the ad revenue. So guys, if you want to know exact step-by-step strategy, you need to stay to the end of this video. Don't skip a single second, otherwise you will not be able to understand the whole thing and you will be confused. And guys, there is a red subscribe button below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that I can notify you whenever I upload new videos and you don't miss anything. So now without further ado, let's jump into our video. So guys, here the first step is you need to go to the YouTube, and then you need to search here the trending topics and the most searchable topics which the people from different countries in this world search. For example, let's say I want to search here how to lose weight fast. And guys, here you need to pay the attention, and that is you need to filter here to the Creative Commons so that you can upload all the videos through your YouTube channel without any copyright strike. And guys, you can see here 9 months ago this video was uploaded, and here 1.4 million views this video has got. So it is really powerful, guys. And to open this video, you need to click this video. And guys, the second step is to copy the link of this video from here, and then after that you need to go to Google, and here you need to search YouTube to MP4 converter. You can see here different websites are converting YouTube videos to MP4. You can choose any one. For example, let's say I choose this website. And then guys, here is the place where you need to paste the link you just copied just right now. Paste the link here and then press on go. As soon as you press the go button, you can see here download video option has pop up on our window. So guys, here you can select download video, or otherwise you can download the video in different formats. You can see here below different formats, and the resolution of this video are available as you want. Which resolution and format you need, you can download from here. Choose any one and then press on download. And then guys, as soon as your video is downloaded, we go to the youtube.com and sign in your channel from which you want to upload the video. And then guys, here is the deal. You need to give the eye-catching and the searchable topics and the tags and the description. And guys, in description we are gonna paste here our link. So guys, pay attention what I'm doing in this video. You must follow this step-by-step method to be successful in this money making strategy. And guys, as soon as you upload the video in your channel, then you need to go to the ShrinkEarn.com. Here is the deal, guys. This is the website where you can shorten your link and then paste that link into your description box. And then guys, whenever you get views from the different people of this world, when these people click the link on the description box, you gonna make money on that, guys. Generally guys, ShrinkEarn.com pays you $10 to $15 per 1,000 visitors, but sometimes they also pay you even more than that per 1,000 visitors. And guys, I'm gonna show you how you can multiple your clicks from the visitors, and then you gonna make a huge amount of money from here. For that guys, you need to simply go to the google.com, and then you gonna search here weight loss tips, whatever your niche is, and then you can see here the different steps are given. For example, let's say I'm gonna click on this website so that I can get some tips from here. And guys, you can see here the different steps are given. For example, number 1 step, do not skip breakfast. 2, eat regular meals. 3, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. So different steps are given here. You don't need to do much work here. You can just copy and paste these all the steps and I'm gonna show you how to do that. For example, let's say I wanna copy this step here. For that I'm gonna copy, and guys then you gotta go to Google Doc, and then here guys we need to click on blank, create a new document, and guys here you gotta paste what we copied from that. And guys here we gotta copy the details from here too, as we copied the title, and then go here and paste it. And then guys you gotta click here on the share button, and then this page gonna pop up, and then here you need to click on copy link, and the link here is our copied, and then go to the ShrinkEarn.com. and guys here in this website you need to add first, and guys as you are here in the ShrinkEarn.com you need to add first a sign up. You can sign up from this button. As soon as you click on the sign up button, this window gonna pop up, and guys here you need to fill up your username, email, password, re-enter your password, and then tick on this reCAPTCHA, and click on this I agree button, and then register. And guys as soon as you register, this is your dashboard. You can see here total views, total earning, referral earning, average CPM, as much views as you from the link you get here more and more money guys. So guys here in the left bar you can see here withdrawal. After you earn money here you can withdraw from different sources. You can see here guys this website supports a different withdrawal method like PayPal, WebMoneyJet, Pair, Skrill. You can see here guys different withdrawal methods are available, and then after you earn money you can withdraw your money as soon as you reach the minimum withdrawal balance. And guys here to shorten the link and to get the link that we have copied from the Google Doc is to you need to paste it here, and then guys you need to click on the shorten button, and as soon as you click on the shorten button you can see here our link has been shortened. And to copy this link we need to click on copy button, and you can see here our link has been copied. And now guys this is the link you need to paste on your description box guys. As soon as the people click on this link you gonna get, as soon as the people click on the link guys you can see here your views increases and your earning starts. And guys as I said you can multiply your earning by multiplying the click rate from the people they watch your video. For that you need to come to the bio.fm, and as soon as you come in this website you need to click on sign up for free. And guys you can see here different options are available to sign up with Twitter, sign up with email. And then guys as soon as you sign up with your email you can see here it has sent me the verification, the confirmation in our email, and then we need to confirm the email. So now guys my email has been confirmed, and then guys you need to go to this window and then click on, and then guys you need to click on this link button so that you can paste here the link. And guys we need to add here our title. For that I'm gonna go to this website, and then I'm gonna copy this title, and then here I'm gonna paste it.
I will type step number 1, so I'll type in.
And then guys in this title I'm gonna step number 1, and then guys here on the URL section I'm gonna paste what we copied from, and then guys the link we had made from here we're gonna copy that, and then we're gonna paste here that link. And guys this is the link for the step number 1. Another steps like 2, 3, 4, 5 we're gonna make different links for them too, similarly like we made for the step number 1. So guys in this way we can multiply the click, of the viewers so that we can multiply our earning. In this way guys we can copy the link for different steps, and then we're gonna paste that link on our description box. And guys as soon as the visitors click on the different links for the steps, and then we can multiply our earning from $10 to $15 to $50 and $60 and even more than that per 1,000 visitors guys from only one video. So guys if you loved the video don't forget to hit the like button, and there is a red subscribe button down below. Subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed, and then hit the bell button side to it so that I can notify you whenever I upload new videos and you don't miss anything. And guys this channel is all about making money online. We upload daily videos on making money online. There are also different videos already uploaded on our channel. You can visit our channel and watch other videos, and you can have additional income source. So guys till then, goodbye.